that settles that. I know where the noise is coming from in this bloody helmet now. It's that screen. It's the buffeting from the edges of the screen reverberating on the helmet. You listen to the wind noise now, then I stand up. It's not half as loud. And no, I'm not going to do my vlogging stood up. Morning boys, girls, friends, enemies. Back to the community. I have double wrapped this mic in foam and fur. I've tried it in the cheek pad, in the front of the helmet. Tried it every bloody where, but I cannot get rid of the wind noise. Now, there are riders with this type of screen on a KTM that have lovely quiet videos. So the question is, I think it rained last night. What in the flipping heck am I doing wrong? I need tips and tricks. I've got quite an expensive lavalier mic. It's a good quality one. Does stereo and mono. And this is the first bike I've ever had a problem with the wind noise. And it's this screen. Now I've got a shorter screen which I put on when I go off-road. The problem with that is the wind hits you straight sort of around the neck area, which in the winter is not ideal. So I'm looking for some ideas. I don't know what this volume's going to be like. I've got a big furry, a woolly type neck muff on to try and block some of the hole under the helmet, which is great for this time of the year, but I don't think I'm going to be wearing it on a warm summer's day. So this is just asking me for asking me, dozy old bugger, me asking you for advice. Now I don't want a full face helmet per se, I know they're quieter. I like the Adventure style because off-road I can put goggles on, just lift the visor up, slip goggles on, you're done. Let's try the noise again. The difference is it's a whooshing standing up, but it's a sort of battering from the shape of the screen sitting down. And they only do two options of screen. They only do two options of screen, and that is the shorty one alright, I never trust Polish lorry drivers. Yeah, I know there's some good professional ones, but sadly, like British lorry drivers, there are some right numpties. Easier to let him out, and it helps him a bit. Yeah, they only do this touring screen or the shorty. Now there are some exotic Dakar style screens on the market, but they're hundreds and hundreds of pounds. Can't afford them. Don't want to get another helmet. Hopefully, I'm researching quieter helmets, adventure style, so hopefully I'll get one of those. Still researching, still reading lots and lots and lots of reviews, but it seems a problem other than the screen. This type of helmet is not quite a helmet. So I don't know. The answer would be a full face, obviously, or right behind the screen completely, but even then it doesn't cut the noise out. And on this helmet the noise seems to be in different places. Sometimes it's over the top, sometimes it's on the side. Yeah, I'm rambling. Help! Is there any way of reducing the wind noise in the actual editing suite? I've tried that and that was abysmal. Because as you reduce the various tonal levels, you're also reducing your voice. All advice, all help, gratefully accepted. All those years I had on the BMW, it was never a problem. Got on 650, not a problem. This thing, dear God, is it noisy. I had the Spada flip front that had a chin muff. That was slightly quieter, but it wasn't really a comfortable helmet. That was it. I'll catch you later. Be good, be careful, ride safely, and annoy the miserable ones. Bye.